Hello, my name is Jonathan from House by Fast. Today we're going to have some questions from Zoopla Q&A section. George, my colleague, is going to ask the questions. I haven't seen these before, so apologies for any hesitation.
Okay, what does under offer mean? Does it mean that an offer has been accepted? Could I still make an offer? Or can you make an offer if you haven't sold? This is a question from T20 Max.
Right, okay, the under offer is the same as sold subject to contract or sale agreed. It basically means that somebody's put an offer in that's been accepted by the owner, and so you might see under offer or something like that on the board and on the advert. Yes, you can approach the agent to make an offer. They are duty bound to submit that offer to the owner, and then it's up to the owner whether they take it or not. That if you're trying to go in at a higher price to push out the first buyer, that's called gazumping, and people don't particularly like it, but it's great for vendors. They get a higher price and it gets agents a bad name, but they do it anyway. They have to by law. So yep, go ahead and make an offer if that's what you want to do. Just be aware that if the owner gazumps and sells to you, it means that they may well do it to you if a higher offer comes along from somebody else, so be careful.
Okay, and the next one is from Alika, and this is:
Hello,
Is there anything I should know if I'm thinking about buying a mobile home? Is there anything I should know if I'm considering buying a mobile home? Other properties are out of my price range. It's probably the only thing I can afford, considering I have to sell mine to fund my mother care.
Mother's care?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, well, mobile homes are very popular. They do provide, warm, comfortable accommodation at a reasonable cost. The only thing I would say is that they're not normally mortgageable in the same way as a property, because they have a limited life that they'll be useful for, because obviously eventually they do rust away into nothing, whereas a house will always be there, as will the land. Check things like park costs as well, and just in case there's any high maintenance charges or anything like that. And obviously shop around. Normally second-hand park homes are obviously quite a lot cheaper than brand new ones, and there is a certain difficulty in selling them second-hand, so you should be able to get quite a good buy, but be aware that obviously when you come to sell it, if you do eventually, you're going to also struggle to perhaps find a buyer as well. Otherwise, I suppose your alternatives might be housing association or council accommodation, or otherwise just becoming a long-term rent situation. But obviously a park home does give you your own home, so I can understand why you'd be looking to do that. So good luck. Any other queries, just give us a call through. Okay, here's the third question. Far away, George.
Yeah, third question's from Russ2209 from Zoopla.
Hello, Russ.
Can we get out of contract for a new home that we've just bought? We have concluded that Miss Eve's on the new build home, however, having no success with selling current house. He says the funds are needed towards the deposit. Can we get out of contract for new home? And if so, what's involved? Thanks.
Okay, yeah, well, yes, you can, but perhaps with a penalty. So normally if you've agreed to buy a new home, you would put down some sort of holding deposit, I'm guessing, maybe £500, a certain percentage. You do stand to lose that. I'm not exactly sure what you're buying or where, but it sounds like you might be buying in Scotland, so check the rules up there if you are. If you've got any specific queries, give us another call through or another email through, and we'll try and answer those for you. But yeah, I think just read the small print, speak to your solicitor, find out what you've signed, what money you've sent across, and chances are you're probably going to lose any money you've given, because that's what it's there for. It's to hold you into buying the property. But I would say definitely one to take legal advice on. That's it for today. Any other queries, do let us know. Thank you.